开始。
Hi, Yasmin. We already received your laboral samples. 6 labo rolls in total, and this one and this one is the same size. This one and this one is the same size. So I will label the tube and show you the result. Smallest tube. The label is overlap. So we will use this label to make the machine and test, right? It's overlap. Okay. The second one. This label is greater than the tube height. The labeling results will like this. I can make the machine first. If your label size has changed a little, it will not influence, has not been influenced, okay? This tube, I use this size to label. It's also overlap. The same with this one, okay? And this is the biggest tube. It is also overlap. I can show you. Can you see it? It's overlap. So if you think we can use these label rolls to make and test the machine, we will start making the machine. Okay. Okay, that's